Hello friend, this is Sakina and welcome to my channel Designer Planet. Guys, today I am share with you a snowflake pendant and some frozen jewelry set. So guys, before going to start, please subscribe my channel and please follow me on social media. So guys, let's get started. These are some pendant. It's a snowflake pendant and different design with silver chains and beautiful snowflake design. Some design are in crystal metal and some are in beads. And these pendants are made of high quality zinc alloy metal. And covered with an acrylic resin crystal to protect them. Cost of these metals are about 450 300 and brand is guys EL Regulo brand for all jewelry, frozen jewelry. All these pendant can be worn by both kids and adult. The quality of the pendant is very good and it is a fun bright color as you can see in the picture. And brand is mentioned, frozen brand, and some brands are EL Regulo. Beautiful frozen snowflake design. Guys, before purchasing any metal, always make sure your kids is not allergic to any kind of metal, because sometimes we get rashes when we wear metal jewelry and it start with an itching around our neck and finger, wrist or our ears. So guys, don't buy any kind of cheap metal. Always purchase a high quality metal. In this image printed Let It Go song, and some pendants are Elsa and some are Anna images. So beautiful kids jewelry set. These pendants are in diamond shape from the movie Frozen 2, like earth, wind, water and fire. And it's a simple design and worn any kind of outfits. Some fashion jewelry you can get in combo pack, combo offer, like some jewelry you can get with extra accessories like matching thing, bracelet, earrings and crown, and some hair accessories like hair band and clips, hair clips and hair bands also. All these things you can get in one pack, and the price is little bit high guys, because you have get entire thing in one pack and matching jewelry sets. And these are pearl jewelry with bracelet and ring, small pearls and large pearls, combination of small and large pearls. These are guys crystal beads. It's a bright crystal. These pearl jewelry are available in 2 and 3 colors, and some jewelries are in multicolor. You can match with any dresses. You can style with any outfits, guys. The quality of the little jewelry is very good, and it is fun bright color with a snowflake, beautiful snowflake with a pearl. And these jewelry set are perfect gift for all kind of occasion. I have purchased this jewelry set, blue and purple color, and I have share review with you. If you have missed, guys, please check my playlist Designer Planet, and I have made shorts videos also, and these are a Let It Go song with a snowflake with a beautiful pearl design and bright color in blue shades. You can wear in blue frock or blue denim. This is a combo pack offer: bracelet, hair clip, and beautiful ring. Elsa's Anna, inspired by Frozen movie. When I purchased, I got 6 ring also, but in this time you can get only necklace and bracelet set, matching bracelet set. It is also a high quality beads jewelry. My kids are using this, and it's never fade. It still look like a new jewelry, guys. This set can be worn any occasion, like a birthday, Christmas, and festival, and perfect gift for all age group. It is a only bracelet in 2 shades, Elsa and Anna, and bracelets have elastic, so they can be stretched over the little girl's hand. She can easily wear and remove, guys. This is perfect gift for that special little kids who loves Frozen a lot. Most jewelry you can get in affordable rate. Price is not much high, guys. For more detail, guys, you can visit my blog and website designerplanet.in. These are simple necklace for kids. It can be worn in any outfits. For metal jewelry, you have to careful. You have to keep these away from water, perfume, and lotion, and avoid wearing jewelry while bathing and swimming, guys. This was today's video, guys. I will see you tomorrow for yet another Elsa Anna new videos, Frozen product. I hope you enjoyed a lot, guys. Thank you very much.